Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss about dictionaries in Python. Like list and tuple, dictionaries are also a data structure in Python where we can store the items as key value pair. In the syntax of dictionary, we can understand that we can store multiple key value pairs within a single variable. So we will use key1 colon value 1 comma key2 colon value 2 etc. We can put any type of data here in key or in values. It can be string, integer, float, anything. In this example, as you can see, we have one EMP dictionary, which is nothing but a dictionary of an employee whose name is Ram, age is 32, gender is male. We can keep all of them together within a single variable and we can put a meaningful name in snake case even for dictionary. Few points to remember. Dictionary does hash lookup. Unlike lists or tuples in Python, dictionary uses key to identify or search the item. There is some hash function calculated on top of the keys and then it provides us very fast access of items. In case of list and tuples, we always start from the initial item and go iteratively one after other to identify the actual item we are searching for. But in case of dictionary, you can provide the key of the item and it will immediately go to that particular key and fetch the value out of it. It all happens based on hash lookup. In our subsequent sessions, we will understand hash lookup in detail. Because of hash lookup, the dictionaries are very fast to search an item. Dictionaries can't have duplicate keys. The very fast before colon is nothing but key and the second part after colon is the value. We can have duplicate values, but we cannot have duplicate keys. Because this hash lookup will not work if we have duplicate keys. That's the reason dictionary does not allow duplicate keys. Dictionary is mutable as well. Unlike tuple, dictionary values can be modified. We can change the value of a dictionary. For example, if we want to change the age of an employee, it's very much possible in case of dictionaries. Dictionaries are ordered. Before Python 3.7, dictionaries were unordered. After Python 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. So it remembers the inserting order of the items in a dictionary. There are built-in functions. Get is used to get a specific value. We have to pass the key here as an argument of get and we get the value, corresponding value from get function. Keys will give you all the keys present in a dictionary. Similarly, values will give you all the values present in a dictionary. Items are nothing but combination of key and value. So items will provide you all the items present in a dictionary. If you see here, we have 3 items present in this dictionary. One is name colon Ram, second is age colon 32, another is gender colon male. So 3 items are present here. 3 keys are present, name, age and gender. 3 values are present, Ram, 32 and male. All these can be fetched using these built-in functions. We have removal mechanism as well in case of dictionary. Pop, if we pop a specific item, we have to pass the key here in this pop function and it will remove that particular item. Pop item is another built-in function which removes the last inserted item from the dictionary. After applying clear function on any dictionary, all the key value pairs will go away or will be removed and it will end up having an empty dictionary. Del is used to delete a particular dictionary from the memory. There are a couple of more built-in functions. You can go to the official website of Python documentation and you can consult that page to find out what are all other built-in functions are used in dictionary. However, these are the functions which are very important and on daily basis a Python developer uses them. Let's go to the PyCharm IDE and see all these functions in action. In this source code, we will understand all the details about dictionaries in Python. How can we define a dictionary? We have to provide a meaningful name. Usually the best practice is to use snake case to define the name of a dictionary and use curly braces to define all the values. In case of list, we used square bracket. In case of tuple, we used parenthesis. In case of dictionary, we have to use curly braces here. Now this one, if you use type function to see what is the type of this particular variable, it will give you dictionary. We have keys and values separated by colon and each and every item are separated by comma. How can we print a dictionary? There are a couple of ways we can print dictionaries or the items present in the dictionary. We can use print function and pass the dictionary variable. It will print all the key value pairs. If we want to print a specific value of a key, we can do so by using two different ways. One is using square bracket, you can pass the key which will give you the value. This will give you the value for Python. Similarly, there is one built-in function called get. You can pass the key within get function and you will get the corresponding value from the dictionary. We can also use a loop to iterate through the items present in a dictionary. If you see here, I have used two variables here, key and value, because we are iterating through the items. One item contains key as well as value. To get both key and value, we have taken two different variables and we are printing each and every item one after the other. Dictionary is mutable and that's the reason we can easily perform modifications of a key value pair. For example, if we want to change the value of C is created by Richie. Instead of Richie, we can put the full name as Dennis Richie. And this is absolutely possible in case of dictionary. That's the reason dictionary is mutable. However, tuple, we have learned in our previous session, is not a mutable data structure. Couple of built-in functions. Length is used to identify total number of items present in a dictionary. We can use keys built-in function to get all the keys. Values are used to get all the values. Items built-in function returns all the items present in the dictionary. If you see here, we have used pop function to delete a specific item. You have to pass the corresponding key of the item so that the item will be deleted. Pop item will not take any argument as its input because it always removes the last inserted item. Clear is used to remove all the items present in a dictionary. Let's run this code to validate our understanding. If we print the dictionary as a whole, we will get this kind of output. We want to get value for a key called Python. We get it in two different ways. Either we can use square bracket or we can use get function. Here, these two are the output for these two prints. We can iterate through all the items present in a dictionary, and that is what we are doing here in this for loop. Dictionary is mutable. That is the reason if you see instead of Richie, now Dennis Richie has come up because we have assigned a new value to an existing key. For built-in functions, see the length of the dictionary is 3 because there are 3 items present. It will print all the keys if we use keys. For values, it will print all the values. We can also print all the items present in a dictionary. And if you see here, it is nothing but all the items printed here in the console. Now what we have done, we popped one item whose key is C. That means this C Dennis Ritchie will move away. And that's the reason only we have 2 items present in the dictionary now. After performing pop item, we have printed the dictionary again. And now if you see, the last item got removed and we have only one item present in the dictionary. After performing clear operation, the dictionary is empty. These are the important built-in functions. Apart from this, there are a number of built-in functions present in Python for dictionary. You can go through the official documentation for Python to get more information about built-in functions. Thanks a lot for watching this video.